In this video, I will show you how to fix the problem of YouTube videos not downloading. First things first, ensure that you're connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can often be the culprit behind download issues. If you're currently using Wi-Fi and facing problems, try switching to mobile data. Conversely, if you're on mobile data, switch over to Wi-Fi. Just remember that downloading large videos may consume significant amounts of your mobile data allowance. If changing your internet connection doesn't solve the problem, it's time to dive into your YouTube settings. Start by tapping on the U button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to access your settings menu. Once in settings, scroll down until you find an option labeled Data Saving. Tap on Data Saving to view its options. If you see that data saving mode is currently enabled, toggle it off. Disabling this setting can often resolve download issues by allowing more bandwidth for video downloads. While still in this section, look for another option called Only Download over Wi-Fi and Unrestricted Mobile Data. If this setting is turned on, it could prevent downloads from occurring under certain conditions. Make sure to toggle off this switch as well. By doing so, you'll allow downloads even when connected via mobile data under specific conditions. Just keep an eye on your data usage. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.